Assalamualaikum and have a good day. I'm Nur Shamimi binti Abdul Rahim. My matrix number is JP9623/15. I'm currently doing a research to fulfill the requirements for JMG 415 Biogeography project entitled The Importance of Biodiversity and Conservation of Tropical Rainforest at the Habitat Penang Hill. The Habitat Penang Hill is a world-class rainforest discovery center set on the fringes of a 130 million years old rainforest on Penang Hill. Located just 6 km from Georgetown in an untouched forest reserve and delicately enveloped by urban Penang. The habitat provides most authentic, diverse and educational Malaysian rainforest experience in Penang to explore the myriad species of flora and fauna, plants, trees, insects, birds, reptiles and mammals that call the habitat home. Penang Hills have always been important to Penang communities. The Penang Hill Biosphere Reserve, which encompasses this natural area, are a vital green lung to Penang Island. They provide valuable ecosystem services, spaces for recreation and support the local economy. The nomination of the Penang Hill UNESCO Biosphere Reserve celebrates Penang's distinctive natural and social landscape, which emphasizes on ongoing commitment to achieve a balance between nature conservation and development through sustainable use. In January 2016, the Habitat Penang Hill was opened. This world-class rainforest discovery and interpretation center provides opportunities for panoramic views into the magnificent rolling hills of untouched forests all the way to the coast, as well as magical encounters with biodiversity along its nature trails.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So right now I'm in the Habitat Penang Hills to explore more regarding the rainforest here. So here we go.
Grounded in a sustainable model, the Habitat through strategic partnerships with government agencies, local and international research institutions and non-governmental organizations strive to fulfill its core mission of promoting environmental and conservation awareness. By reconnecting them with nature, the Habitat hopes to inspire its visitors to make choice for a sustainable future and to help cultivate an appreciation and respect for the delicate and diverse ecosystem that we strive to protect. The Habitat Penang Hill built features or infrastructure like the Langaway Canopy Walkway. This is the longest two-span stretch ribbon bridge in the world and the only one that sits within a pristine rainforest. Next is the Giant Swing or Mackie Swing. 2 of 5 giant swings in Penang can be found in the habitat, where one is located near the Canopy Walk and the other is located in between the Drongle Circle and the Square Circle. Besides, they also have a walk on the Curtis Craft Treetop Walk. It is a 13-meter highest public viewing platform. Third is the flight of the Colugo Zip Line. It is a zip line adventure experience for visitors. The Penang Hill Biosphere Reserve consists of important natural habitats with high species richness and diversity. Based on biodiversity data gathered to date, 2,456 species of plants from 206 families are found here. Around 20 are on the IUCN Red List, including 4 that are listed as critically endangered.
So right now I'm with Mr. Alan Tan, the Managing Director of the Habitat Penang Hills, to make an interview session and survey regarding the species found here, including the endemic species of Penang Hill. So let us.
Survey, a BioBlitz in October 2017 for the span of about 2 weeks, and we worked very closely with the School of Biosciences at USM, who are our main partner, together with the California Academy of Sciences and other scientists from around the region and around the world. We brought about 117 scientists and students, majority of whom were from USM, to Penang Hill for a span of 14 days in the end of October 2017 to conduct a survey of the rainforest up here. And during this 2-week survey, even in a tiny little rainforest, relatively speaking, so close to proximate to a major city center like Georgetown and Penang, we found new species. So that just goes to show you what there's so much that we still don't know, we haven't discovered yet. And we found, for example, a new species of hill crab. We also made the discovery that colugos communicate with using sonar.
So, it is good and proud to know that our School of University Science Malaysia, which is School of Biological Sciences, cooperates with the Habitat in finding some endemic species.
Some of them are long-tailed macaque and dusty leaf monkey, which is lotong kelabu, garden fan lizard, giant black squirrels, and colugos, or better known as flying lemurs. During the walk-in session in the forest, I'm glad because I've met with the habitat naturalist Miss Ng Ji Chaying and a visitor, Mr. Hafiz bin Hashim, which is a Penang-based photographer. During this session, we have been briefed regarding the species here, including the endemic species which are native to Penang Island. They are Penang Hill ginger, or scientifically known as Theostachys penangensis. According to Miss Ng Chaying, this ginger grew in luxurious clumps on the various hill summits. Today, it is a much less abundant. Due to its limited range, Theostachys penangensis is classified by IUCN as endangered species. Next is walking stick palm, or scientifically known as Liquala acutifida. This attractive fan palm can only be found in low-lying to upper hills deep Turokat forest. In the colonial period, the palm stem was sought after to make a popular walking stick with a bulbous head known as the Penang lawyer. This nickname is thought to be derived from the Malay term Penang liar or wild areca. Last but not least is Highland vampire crab, or scientifically known as Theososarma faustum. This is the only species of crab that capable of breeding in fresh water that live inside these bromeliac plants.
So next, I'm going to interview a journalist, Mr. Satish Rai, regarding his opinion about the habitat and the importance of conserving biodiversity and the tropical rainforest.
I'm Satish, 28 years old this year, and I do freelance journalism, often covering issues with regards to environment and science. And yeah, most commonly I cover like environmental related issues. More evident now actually with the Amazon rainforest fires, the Australian bushfires, and also the seasonal transboundary haze that we experience here in Malaysia, that the environment is in a dire state. And the things that we are observing are an assault to the nature, to the environment, to our planet. And efforts like this at the habitat in Penang Hill is definitely a positive initiative undertaken by different agencies, different entities. And what they say is conserving biodiversity through education, research, and sustainable tourism, inspiring everyone to make choices for a sustainable future. So this is something that we all should be a part of and help conserve the world, the planet together.
As a conclusion, the initiative taken by the Habitat is actually a good effort in conserving our biodiversity and ecosystem. So, I encourage this effort to be maintained and educate among young generation for better life. That's all. Thank you. Bye.